In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the Coway Airmega AP-1512HHS. This has Wi-Fi capability and you can use it with Amazon Alexa. Later on in the video, after we get done going over all the hardware specifications of this product, I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on this air purifier and whether or not if I recommend this air purifier to you. Upon unboxing the air purifier, there was absolutely no issues and the packaging was well packed. And you are then presented with the manual right on the top of the air purifier once you unbox it. And then below that you have the air purifier. Upon taking a look at the top of the unit, you could clearly see all of the buttons listed at the top of the unit, from which we will go over later on in this video. Further taking a look at the unit, you have the front grille that easily pops off. Behind that you have a pre-filter that serves to filter out larger airborne dust particles so that the next layers of filtration do not have to deal with those particles. The next layer is going to be the activated carbon filter, and that serves to filter out volatile organic compounds and gas-like odors. And the last layer is going to be a HEPA certified filter, which can also be called the Max 2 filter. The air actually goes in this way and comes out the top. So what's really cool about this air purifier is that you can actually put this directly up against the wall and not impede it whatsoever. So right here we have the power button, and you'll immediately notice that the air quality light illuminates. And you have blue for really good air quality, you have purple for moderate air quality, and you have red for unhealthy air quality. And you'll notice right here, I have a bit of tape over this second light, which is the #1 manual speed, because I often found that I really like this manual speed, #1, when I'm trying to sleep, because it moves a decent amount of air and it's inaudible, meaning you can't hear it. And but that leads me to my next point, is that even though you can turn off the air quality light by hitting the light button, if you were to go into manual mode or even auto mode, it's always going to have that green light illuminated. So you have manual speed 2, manual speed 3. You can run it on eco mode, and you can also run it on auto. Now, what is the difference between auto and eco mode? So when you set the air purifier into eco mode, what it will do is, if it detects good air quality, it will stop the fan from turning. It will continue to check at half-hour intervals, and after, let's say, 30 minutes, it detects the air quality has increased or has become dirty. Then the fans will automatically ramp up and clean the air. When you set it to auto, the air fan speed is not going to stop. So if the air quality is good, then the fan RPM speed is going to be low. As the air quality gets poor, the fan RPM speed increases. Here you have your filter reset, and what's really cool is this is the first air purifier that I have seen where there is actually a filter reset for the pre-filter. And then you have the filter reset for the Max 2, which is the HEPA certified filter. You can actually connect this air purifier to Wi-Fi and connect it via a phone, connect it via an app on your phone. So all you do is you go to the App Store and you download and install the Coway IO Care right here. Install, open, allow. Looks like it's updating. It looks like I have to register. Alright, so I went through the registration process, entering in my personal information, and I'm at the prompt now where it's just asking to scan your QR code on the back of the device right here so that you can register your device. And there we go, as easy as that. It has been registered. You can use this product when it is connected to Wi-Fi. Do you want to connect? And we're going to hit OK. It says here, please connect your phone to 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi with internet. So I'm connected to the Wi-Fi. I can see the wireless icon here on my cell phone. Turn on the product. Press and hold the two buttons shown on the image for more than 3 seconds. So that's going to be these two here. There we go. Press next when you hear a ringing sound, which we just heard. Connect to Wi-Fi. Please check if indicating lamp is displayed above. It is. Press next to hear chime sound from device. Connection successful. Hit next. Oh, Wi-Fi not selected. Alright, so I'm going to select my Wi-Fi. And it wants me to put in the Wi-Fi password. One moment. Alright, so I put in my password. It's now beeping, configuring Wi-Fi on the product. Connected. Confirm. So now I'm in the app and it's showing me indoor air quality is good. And it gives you a graph. That's pretty cool. Looks like a 12-hour period. Report. Tab. Gives you daily air quality, hourly air quality. You can do 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days, control. Allows you to basically control all the components of your the air purifier without having to physically go up to the device. So you have your power on off timer. You can switch from auto to eco, fan speed manual, light on or off. You can add a schedule, notification. So it'll actually notify you on your phone for the pre-filter and max 2 filter, as well as the air quality status and device management. So it looks like my pre-filter is about 55% and my max 2 is at 86%. I have cleaned the pre-filter when the light displayed on the top of the unit, so it kind of makes sense how there's lesser of a percentage for the pre-filter. And then you have Amazon Alexa settings. I just want to say that this is a very good air purifier. I really like how quiet it is. In fact, I use this in the bedrooms and I get a really good night's sleep because it's not too loud. I leave it on manual speed 1, so it's on the quieter side, and it doesn't really move a ton of air, but it's so quiet that I don't hear it and I sleep with no issues straight through the night. If there were to be one critique on this air purifier, it would be the manual speed, going from manual speed 1 to manual speed 2. It seems like an excessive jump in both RPM, speed, and noise. Like, I feel like there could be an additional step in between manual speed 1 and manual speed 2, but other than that, this is a great 250 CFM unit. It's quite capable of removing air particulate in air very quickly. So this is definitely an air purifier that I would recommend to you.